Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So luxury house tour videos are all about premium visuals, smooth motion and elegant atmosphere. With OpenArt you can generate high-end interiors and turn them into cinematic walkthrough style videos. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to create luxury house tour videos using OpenArt in 2026. Okay, so first thing first, define the luxury style. So start with a clear direction, like choose style, modern, luxury, minimalist, villa, okay, like the color palette, like gold, wood, okay, mood, like bright, warm, elegant. So for example, you can look at this example that I will show you. Okay, so for example, we have this prompt. Okay, modern luxury villa, marble floors, warm lighting, large windows. Okay, so generate a key scene like OpenArt image generator, create a premium interior, like for example we have here a example prompt. Okay, so this is enhanced luxury living room, marble floor, large glass windows, soft warm lighting, elegant furniture, ultra realistic 4K. So generate multiple, pick the best one that you liked. Okay, so this sets your style. Create full house scenes, like generate different spaces like living room, kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, exterior. Keep the same, so keep same materials, lighting, color palettes. Okay, so it feels like one house. Okay, so that's it guys, thank you for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.